Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I got the Ace 100 back in the shed here, and the first order of business is to figure out why this doesn't have any spark. And to do that, I need to get the this case off. And as you can see, the previous owner welded the shift lever to the shift shaft, so I have to get that off first. And I think I should probably remove this giant foot peg out of my way. So let me get to that and enjoy. Okay guys, I got the side cover off, as you can see. And as it turns out, I didn't need to take the shift lever off to get the side cover off, which is okay. I mean, it had to come off eventually anyway, but different setup than what I'm used to seeing. The way this works is as you shift gears, this piece right here fits into that groove right there, and as you shift gears, pushes this, depending on what gear you're in, pushes this in or out, and I can feel it index. You know, I believe this particular bike is 1 up and 4 down. That's probably neutral. That's probably first, and so that's pretty cool how that works. I can feel that index. That's in gear now, and that is probably neutral right there. So that's pretty cool. You'll learn something new every day. Okay guys, you're looking inside the flywheel, and I don't know if you can see those points or not, but they are really rusted pretty bad. Fortunately, I do have a flywheel puller that fits this in my collection, so let's pop this off so we can get a better look. Okay guys, I got the flywheel off, as you can see, and you were looking at the Magneto, and overall it doesn't look too bad. The coils look good, just need a good clean. The condenser looks okay, just needs a clean, but the points on the other hand, definitely, I don't know if I can clean them up good enough to get any kind of contact out of them or not. I definitely need to be replaced, more than likely. No big deal there, but I think I'm going to do is take this all apart and give this a good cleaning. You can tell that water got in here and was trapped in here. Got some corrosion going on. So I think what I'm going to do is take this whole thing apart and give it a good clean, see if I can get a good, get up my points file and give that a good cleaning, and I'll see what I can do. Okay guys, it's been about a week. I had to wait for parts, and as you can see, this Magneto is looking quite different than it did before. It has brand new points, brand new condenser. I also went ahead and took the lighting coil off. I want to simplify this bike into a scrambler motocross style with no headlight, no tail light. And so yeah, let me throw the flywheel back on and see if we can't get spark out of it now. Okay guys, I got the flywheel back on, so let's see if this thing has spark. Wish me luck. Okay guys, we now have spark to the bike, so that's good. The next step is to get the carburetor on and get the thing running. I need to order some more parts before I can do that first. So I'm going to end the video here guys. So until then, you guys ride safe and thanks for watching.